welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my washable protective face masks. I start by ironing out a piece of fabric, and you're going to want it to be double-sided with the right side patterns facing together. After you finish ironing, you're going to want to go ahead and get this pattern, which I will link in the bio, and go ahead and set that on your double-sided fabric. As you can see, there's two pieces to the pattern, and so that is about how much material you're going to need to use. Next, I go ahead and take my pins and pin it in place. After you finish pinning it, go ahead and cut it out. Now it's time to get sewing, so go ahead and turn on your machine, thread it, and set the dial to the correct thread setting. The first thing you're going to want to sew is the center seam for each of the face masks, the inner face mask as well as the outer face mask. When I'm sewing, I also always do a reverse on the sewing. This just ensures that your seam will not come apart. Next, you're going to take the fabric pieces and push them together with both of the right side patterns facing each other. After that is done, you're going to go ahead and sew the top and bottom together. Next, you're going to take your fabric and turn it right side out. For added support, I go ahead and also sew the bottom piece when it's right side out as well. Next, you're going to go ahead and fold the sides inwards so that you create a pocket for a string to be able to go through. Now go ahead and sew that together and repeat on the other side. Now that you've finished your face mask, you can go ahead and pick what kind of string or elastic band you would like to use in order to secure the face mask to your face. There are a lot of different options that you could use. This, for instance, is an elastic piece which could be attached to all four corners, or could also be strung through each of the pockets that you've created. You can also use ribbon, as you see here. You enjoyed the video, and hopefully it gave you a little better insight into how you can make your own reusable washable face mask. And if you did enjoy it, I would appreciate a like and a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.